Nail It, the show that gets you to the root of your nail concerns. Did you know that your nails can be a window to your overall health? Changes in color, texture, shape can signal everything from a simple vitamin deficiency to a more serious conditions. Today, we're tackling 3 common nail concerns: hangnails, brittleness, and nail biting. Let's welcome our expert dermatologist, Dr. Dan Simon, Nina. Dr. Simon, thanks for being here with us.
Happy to be here, Michi. Nail health is often overlooked, but it is important.
Absolutely. Let's start with our first guest, Althea Dean Pablo, who experienced the frustration of hangnails. Althea, tell us about it.
They're painful, annoying, and they catch on everything. I could have been a pen, which I would make it worse.
Hangnails are usually caused by dry, brittle skin, frequent hand washing, or harsh chemicals. Or simple picking at the skin can make them worse. The key is to keep your cuticle moisturized with this cuticle oil or cream. Avoid aggressive manicures, and if you have hangnails, carefully trim with clean clippers.
Great advice, Dr. Simon. Now let's move on with Zeus. Zeus, you're dealing with onychorexis or split brittleness. What's that like?
My nails are constantly splitting and cracking. It makes everyday task difficult and is embarrassing.
Brittle nails can be caused by several things: aging, nutritional deficiencies like biotin or iron, underlying medical conditions or frequent exposure to water, or harsh chemicals. Treatment focuses on addressing the underlying cause. Nail strengtheners can help, but a balanced diet and avoiding harsh chemicals are crucial.
And finally, Daniel. You're battling nail biting or onychophagy. How has this affected you?
It's a really tough habit to break. My nails are constantly damaged and I'm self-conscious about it. I've tried to stop, but it's hard.
Nail biting can lead to infection. Permanent damage is often linked to stress or anxiety. Quitting requires addressing the underlying cause. Technical like stress management, cognitive behavior therapy, or even habit reversal. Training can be effective.
So we've covered hangnails, brittleness, and nail biting. Let's summarize it for you to easily understand. Hangnails happen when dry skin tears at the nail's edge, often due to dryness or injury. To treat them, trim the hangnail carefully and use moisturizer. Onychorexis is when nails become brittle and split, usually due to lack of nutrients or harsh chemicals. Treatment involves moisturizing and possibly using nail strengtheners. Onychophagy is the habit of nail biting, often caused by stress or boredom. It can be treated by changing habits and managing stress. Keeping nails clean and avoiding harsh products helps prevent these issues. Remember, healthy nails are a reflection of your overall well-being. Dr. Simon, any final thoughts?
Absolutely. Pay attention to your nails. They can tell you a lot. And don't hesitate to seek professional help if you have concern.
Thank you, Dr. Simon, for sharing your knowledge. And remember, folks, healthy nails, healthy you. Thanks for tuning into Nail It. Join us next time for more nail-related advice. Today we're tackling 3 common nail concerns: Hangnails?
Nako.
Kasi, ano yung sakto?
Mamili. 1, 2, 3.
Hangnails? Nail biting? Ha?
Nail biting.
Di biting yun. Brittle nails.
Again. 3, 2, 1.
Hangnails, brittle nails, and nail biting. Dr. Sainer, thanks for being here with us.
Oh my God!
Aldea, tell us about it.
They're painful, annoying, and they touch at everything. Doesn't try to pick them up.
3, 2, 1, go.
Aldea, tell us about it.
Okay lang rano.
Right.
Ano to?
Hangnails are usually caused by dry between cuticle or frequent. Basta ha? Basta ha bakla?
Mga dyan lang basta sa kamera, hindi mo magtaas-taas.
Kabila?
Ay, mo present mo.
Wait lang.
Papunta mo sa hanggan. Ay, layo!
Ba? Hindi naman. Maman! Diba na?
Now let's move on with Zeus.
Ay, tama!
Oh.
Great advice, Dr. Sainer. Now let's move on with Zeus.
Let's move on with Zeus!
3, 2, 1, go.
May kabukas bataan.
3, 2, 1, go.
My nails are constantly splitting and cracking. It makes
It makes everyday tasks difficult.
My nails are constantly splitting and cracking. It makes everyday tasks difficult and is embarrassing.
Victory!
You're battling nail biting or onychophagy. How has this affected you?
I do, sir.
3, 2, 1, go.
Daniel, you're battling nail biting or onychophagy. How has this affected you?
It's a really tough habit. My name
break.
is... It's a really...
It's a really tough habit to break.
It's a really tough habit to break. My nails are constantly damaged and I'm self-conscious about it. I've tried to stop, but it's hard.
Ako hindi matulods dito. Remember, healthy nails are a reflection of your overall well-being. Dr. Sainer, any final